Leadership Training Academy is a wonderful multi-week program spread out over an entire year that is designed to help us build our skills for advocacy.
I wanted to be part of LTA because while I have the passion to be a great advocate for my patients, I didn't really know the best way to accomplish that.
I view myself as an advocate for abortion, not only in the United States, but I want to be a global advocate, and I thought that this would get me prepped.
As an abortion provider and as an OBGYN, being able to articulate why the care that we do is critically important is really fundamental to my job.
I am learning so much that it's crazy. I think my head may explode.
I have figured out writing skills, media skills.
How to craft an effective message.
How to position yourself, how to talk, how to be aware or to ignore cameras.
A woman's well-being.
I've learned how to do radio interviews as well as video interviews.
It's been really inspiring and really accessible as well to get to learn these skills from experts.
We did a lot of leadership training, conflict resolution, problem solving.
I'm learning more about Congress and what that entails.
How to speak to our legislators and how to get our message across powerfully.
I love the community. I love that it's been so diverse to meet all these other providers, emergency medicine, family medicine, pediatric providers.
It's also, to me, really exciting to kind of get the support and accompaniment over the next year to do things that I wouldn't really have the courage necessarily to do otherwise, and really also just learn from what the other fellows are doing.
The lobby day in DC was amazing.
Gregory Matthews, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I had a patient that had a heart condition and that would be detrimental to her, so she needed to terminate the pregnancy.
At first going into it, super nervous, but at the end of the day, I felt like I conquered the world. I was definitely prepared. They prepped us to the T.
Being able to go and speak on behalf of my patient population, I feel like we really did make a really big impact.
I'm proud of what you guys are doing. I'm so glad you've organized like this.
I've used the skills from the LTA from the minute I finished my training.
I'm going to lobby at the State House in Maryland.
I've had a couple of opportunities to respond to some interview requests.
In a couple weeks, I'm going back to the California State House.
I recently had an opportunity to participate in the Laura Ingraham radio show. I just said in my head, here we are, let's go. Ultimately, the people that benefit from the LTA are our patients that get the benefit of having their physicians out there talking and advocating for comprehensive reproductive health care.
As a physician, you're not only being a physician to your patients, you're being the major supporter.
Sometimes I think it'd be easier not to do this line of work, but at the end of the day, I just can't sit back. If I'm not gonna fight for my patients' rights, no one else is.